In this presentation, I am going to release the trend report for the coming week. So this report already we have uploaded in our website on the 10th of November. And this is being given for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and so far this report we have been giving from the past 107 weeks. Out of that 97 weeks, it has given the success. This is the 107th week. Out of 106 weeks, 97 weeks it has given the success. We'll also see that how the last week trend performed. So last week many companies I have given, including the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. We have also released a video based on that. So last week's trend report is being given on 3rd of November, and it was valid from 6th to 10th. So I can just go for 3rd to 6th and search what are the things we have given. We have given for Nifty, Bank Nifty, State Bank of India and Aurobindo Pharma. These are the things we have given. So Nifty, the first day of this week, 3rd to 10th, the week was there. So 3rd to 10th of November, first day it has given a breakout. However, could not able to sustain above 10,530. I'll also show you that data, whatever the things is happened. And in that also one follow-up option strategy video we have released. In that also I have explained on Monday how the trend of the Nifty has reacted. So just we will go for the historic data for the Nifty past 7 days. What are the things has happened? Monday, so which was from 6th to 10th, you can say. So 530 it has gone, 530 Monday. It has given an uptrend breakout, could not able to sustain. And next day also it has given an uptrend breakout, that too also could not able to sustain. So last week's our projection was there 513 above. If it goes, then 528 and 540, these levels it will come. But maximum it has gone to 10,530. From there it has retraced. So 465 that has triggered. 465 level has triggered. And last week's trend report also I had just made a small correction there. I have told you this was anticipated after a great move. I have just told you, though it is giving 10,513 above uptrend, try to buy above 10,528. So Monday it was a false breakout. It resulted losses. However, once you have hedged with 10,500 put, you could have saved a great amount of losses. The end result was amazing. So it was 10th November, yesterday it has hit 10,284. This was the weekly low for the Nifty. The last trading days for this week. And as per our calculations, if you just look into the calculation, the third cycle, first cycle fully it has achieved. Second cycle also, mostly it has come to the last but one target. This is the second cycle's last but one target, till very close near to this it has come. 10,283 level we have calculated, 10,284 it has given. So this we have calculated and we have got just 10,284. So being a consolidation market also, you have achieved the success in this. Similar result you have got in the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also, if you can look into the data of the Bank Nifty, so this also shown the same similar kind of result. Being a consolidation week also, we have achieved. So 25,237 level it has come. 25,750 was the weekly high. 750 was the high, but we could not get a chance to enter because our buy entry was 25,802. However, sell entry it has come, and 278 low, weekly low it has 237, 25,237 it has achieved. So till the last but one target also we have achieved. 237 level we have come, 25,237, and our last but one target was 25,271. So 20 to 30 point below we have achieved in this. So this is the level for the Bank Nifty, and we have also given for a couple of stocks. We have given for TCS, we have given for uh, Aurobindo Pharma. So Aurobindo Pharma, State Bank of India also we have given. So State Bank of India, this is the levels we have given, and we have initially we have achieved in the downtrend. However, yesterday it was a post result, it was a great move, and you have also got the success in that. And coming to the Aurobindo Pharma yesterday it has 803 level, 804 level. It has gone for a couple of days. Post result, it has fallen down, and you can say 742 level. It has hold good. In fact, below that also it has gone 733, 34 level. It has gone. So the point is, whatever calculations we have done on weekly basis, it has close proximity levels based on the weekly high and weekly low. Close proximity levels we have achieved. So whenever your calculation achieve on close proximity level, the authenticity of that calculation is validated through that process. So authenticity of that calculation validated through that process. And for coming week, I am just going to release the levels. And this is for Nifty. We have given Nifty future 10,342 level. It has closed, and calculation says 10,352. If it crosses, then it has all these targets till 10,450, and second cycle till 10,450, and third cycle till 10,487. Similar way, the downtrend 10,331 below, if it goes, the first cycle will be terminated at 10,268. In between, these are the targets, and second cycle will be terminating around 10,232. Third cycle will be terminating around 10,197. So this is the levels coming from the Nifty for the coming week. And I have also taken the calculation for Bank Nifty. 25,525 we have closed yesterday, and if it is going 25,664 above, then uptrend is there, and it will take you to till 26,130. If it gives a breakout below 25,386, you have all probability to fall till 24,937. This is for first cycle. Second cycle has different values, and third cycle also having a different projections. This is for the Bank Nifty. I've also taken for Aurobindo Pharma, which has future, Aurobindo Pharma future, and it is 745 level it has closed. So here 745 level it has closed. So it is telling that above 752 it has all probability to touch 793 level. If it break below 738, then it has all probability to touch 697 level. So these are the levels it is coming, and you have to enter with a proper hedging. If you are buying this Aurobindo Pharma 752 level, try to hedge it with the 760 put option. If you are selling Aurobindo Pharma at 738 level, try to hedge it with the 740 call option. So this is how you should hedge it. So nearest strike you have to choose for hedging the things. So this is for Aurobindo Pharma, and I have already shown for the Bank Nifty and the Nifty. Coming to some other counters, I have also given for the TCS again 712. It has closed. TCS future above 2726, the trend is up. It has all probability to take it to 2809 rupees. If it is giving you a downside breakout below 2698, then it has all probability to bring it to 2615 level, 2615 rupees level. If you are buying the TCS, then the nearest put option 2726 above, if you are buying 2700 put option you should take to hedge it. If you are selling here 2698 level, you must buy one 2700 call option to hedge it. So this is a simplest hedge you can do. Beyond that also you can hedge it with some other style of hedging by writing of some options. SBI 335 level it has closed and 339 above uptrend. This has the probability to bring it to 366 level on first cycle, 330 below downtrend, which can bring it to 3003 level, 303 level. So here, if you are buying SBI above 339, try to hedge it with the 300 put up for 340 put option. And if you are selling here 330 level, try to hedge it with the 330 call option. So this is what you can do. And you can think of writing some option also. Lot size is very big in the SBI. You can think of writing some options also. So this is for SBI. ICICI Bank also I have taken. ICICI Bank, it has closed at 318 rupees, 321 rupees and 50 above uptrend for the coming week. And that has the probability to take it to 341, and in between these are the targets. And this colored zone is a trend reversal zone. Maximum probability is there. After touching this zone, the price will reverse back, trend will reverse back. So same by 315 below the downtrend, and it has the probability to take it to 296 level. So if you are 315 level, if you are selling, buy a 315 call option. 322 level if you are buying, buy a 320 put option. So this is how you can hedge the trade and go along. All our future contracts for the coming week I have taken it. So these are the counters. You can just follow and experience the things. Here, once you do a trade in the market, you have always there is a probability of losing, and same time you have a probability of winning. I have also released two option strategies. One Nifty option strategy for coming 10 days. Other Sun Pharma, which is having a result on 14th of November. For that also one ratio call spread and ratio put spread together. And Aurobindo Pharma also, last week I have advocated for this ratio call spread and ratio put spread for Aurobindo Pharma. That also given a success this week on post result. So many trade contracts with the evidence I have shown you. These are the profits, how the profits are being made with the different option strategies with a very less exposure into the losses. So once you are browsing through our site, we have many informations other than this YouTube, where if you subscribe, then you get all the updated videos delivered in your email box. However, without that also, many interesting videos we have given. Many of our research you can find out there. Like one standard deviation principle you are seeing, we have also given a very simplest method of intraday trading, midpoint intraday trading. It is applicable for commodity as well as stocks. You can use this method very successfully. It is an excellent method for intraday. This Bollinger Band and RSI, most of you will be using. How you can use it as a forward indicator. We have done little bit of changes in that. You can enhance the accuracy of Bollinger Band and RSI just by doing this suggestive little changes in that system. And many articles, many video courses related to the option course you can get. There are last year we have conducted a 1 month program, free program. That recordings are available. How you can choose a best stock for investment. How you can use different moving average as a forward indicator. So all these stuffs, just if you give little bit of time and go through each one of this video, then you will learn a lot in that. How to use this candle patterns. When many of you will be talking about candlestick, but how to use that in your real trade and the trend forecast. Just if you just go to our website on the home page itself, that links are there. Video courses section, any one video you click, you will be landing in this particular page where lots and lots of educational resource freely available for you. You can just, it requires little bit of your time. You have to spend little time, and one by one, not everything you in one day. One principle you just go on learn and try to apply it. How you can do arbitrage trade, how you can form delta neutral option strategy, how you can do pair trade, though we have the paid software for that. So option strategy, price model, and IV. So these are the GAN's square of 9 and 12 principle. So all these beautiful concepts are already repeated and it is being given here. It just require your interest. That yes, I should spend some time and learn some unique technique which will be beneficial for me in the trend forecast. Forecast, many are doing, many companies are doing forecast, many analysts are doing forecast, many people are telling, but the conclusion is the vague conclusion. Yes, market is in uptrend. Uptrend means what? How you know that it is uptrend? How you know that it is a downtrend? Above what price I should know it is a uptrend? So all has a definite calculations. Simply by saying it is in uptrend, downtrend, volatility, volatile market, it doesn't quantify anything. Some say that market is very highly volatile. Market is range bound. What is, how I'll understand, how I'll know if the market is range bound? So what is the mathematical definition for that? Or simply I have to wait for that person to talk so that I can know, or there is a definite principle behind it. So whenever we say about the range bound market, if you just look into our weekly trend reports, we just say that if the price move between this 0.5 band of the Fibonacci retracement. So if it is moving between 10,540 to 437, then it is known as a range bound market. So this is as per the Fibonacci principle. So every principle, Fibonacci principle, WD GAN principle, moving average principle, or this all this a technical indicator principle, every principle gives you a definition for range bound market, for uptrend market, for downtrend market, for high volatility market. Every principle gives one definition for that. So whatever the principle you follow, it has according to that principle, there is a definition for range bound market. There is a definition for uptrend market. So you need to learn and understand that. Once you understand that things, then those your studies will be very complete and comprehensive so that you can able to gain good money from the market. So here the one standard deviation principle what we are suggesting for many weeks from the 107th week now. This principle, using this principle, we too have a software, one standard deviation software. So this helps you for intraday trend forecast, for positional trend forecast. So it also comes with the Android edition to use it in your Android mobile, also in a desktop edition. So two things you get it here. So, and it costs you 5,000 rupees plus 18% tax. So totally it costs you 5,900 post tax to own this software. And it has a 1 year validity. Post 1 year you have a maintenance fee of 3,500 plus tax. So that is from the second year onwards you have this thing. So this calculations what you are experiencing in the Nifty and Bank Nifty, similar success you can experience in your equity trade, similar success you can experience in your option trade if you adopt this software for your trade forecast. But if you are dependent on some other tips, if your trade decision is solely dependent on the TV channel's commentary, then no software can help you. If you are just saying that, okay, I will trade, but I will just walk into the news channel and just look at what news is coming, based on that I will trade, then God can save your portfolio. No one can save you. So if you have a definite plan to make trade and make profit from the market. Try to use this software for your trend forecast and along with hedging. Hedging a correct trend forecast along with one protection mechanism only can give you the success. Just say that hedging I will not do, only along with this I will. Yes, you can in certain cases. However, say like last week, 513 breakout, 528 breakout given and fallen down to 464. So here if you have not hedged it, so here you can say 35 point, here 25 point, 28 point. So near to 60 points you lost in the trade. But if you have hedged, out of that 60 points, 40 points you can recover. So your net loss will be reduced to 20 points. So if your other trade gives you just 20 points, you will be breaking. Just 20 point you will be breaking. However, the other trade which we have recommended, it has gone far below 323 and it has given you 140 points. So after recovering this 20 point of losses, still you could able to make some handsome. So that is the benefit of hedging that you have to understand and you have to use in your trade practice. Without using any solid principle, trade will be a toxic business. Trade will finish your portfolio. However, once you use a definite projection, if you have a definite plan for this and if you have definite understanding on the concepts and if you use it in a proper way along with a proper hedging mechanism, then trade will become a profitable business. So it is up to you to consider the trade as a toxic business for you or trade as a profitable business for you. If you consider trade as a profitable business, you have to work as a professional. You have to use the concept of hedging along with the correct principle of trend forecast to achieve that profit objective. So visit our YouTube channel and see most of the beautiful videos we have given. If you are thinking that yes, these videos have some value for my trade decision process, try to subscribe this channel so that whenever we upload any video, you'll be informed about that automatically from the YouTube. Try to share this video with your friends. So if you have just clicking in this link, you can able to share this video with your friends so that they too can able to take the benefit of this wonderful analysis. And as I suggest you, lot of academic stuffs are available in our site to understand the market, to adopt specific new concept in your trading. Just go to this free video course section. You will get a lot of videos in your free time. Try to access and learn some unique technique of trend forecast. Try to forward these links to your friends so that they should also take the benefit of that. We have a lot of online calculators. Many of you will be trading in options. Many of you are trading in the options, specifically in the intraday. Try to use this option trading calculator, what is available in the calculator section. And there is a small video we have given how to use this tool, just 5 to 6 minutes of video. Just go through that video. Try to use this particular tool and see the difference, whether the calculation comes or not, whether the trade forecast given by this calculator works or not. So try to use some of our manual calculator, which is not data automated, having lesser accuracy, 50 to 60% accuracy you can get in this particular tools. However, try to use it and so that you can able to experience, yes, the concept what they are teaching, concept what they are promoting, concept what they have given in the video course, whether those concepts really work in the market or not. That is very important. If you are getting a weekly trend report today on 10th of November, try to validate for the entire week from 13th to 17th day to day basis, every day's high, low, closing basis. Try to validate whether the days high, days low and days closing has any relationship with this calculation. So how many days in a week all those calculations what we did, it was accepted by the market. So that will be a correct method to judge that is the correct technique to judge any method. So if you are satisfied with this particular performance, and if you are thinking that yes, this particular method is going to give me some success, and this particular style of trading of hedging is going to give me the success in the trade, try to procure this software which costs you 5,000 plus taxes. In case if you have any query related to this product, we are always there to answer your queries. You can call to these sales numbers. You can post us the emails. Our email IDs are given here. So you can post us the emails. We'll be glad to answer you. So many ways you can able to be connected with us. Follow us in the Facebook and Twitter so that whenever we give any update, you will be getting on hand those informations. However, if you are registering with us, all these reports, video releases, will be sending you a email alert. So it is purely based on your interest. If you think that yes, I should register and these informations are valuable for me, just click here and register. Your informations will be highly secured with us. We will not be selling your information to anyone. It will be just utilized to inform you about our products and services. Anytime you are not interested to receive the emails, you can very well unsubscribe those emails so that next time onwards it won't go to you. You can unsubscribe from our mailing list also. That freedom you have. So try to adapt this technique. So far you have been buying the calls, tips, advice from others. Try to at least adapt these techniques. Try to at least observe these techniques for a few months and feel the difference. So next week again we'll meet and I will validate the performance of this week's analysis. Keep sharing this particular information, keep trading and inform me about your success or failure. Thank you.